I finally got me a Tech Gang t-shirt. Put hashtag Tech Gang in the comments below. Yo, what's good, y'all? Latrell, and YouTuber TechRight got some Tech Gang merch here, and I finally bought it. And you might be wondering, well, who is TechRight? Well, he's actually a YouTuber and a friend of mine, but the thing is, he calls his subscribers the Tech Gang, and you know, that's pretty much your thing. And now he got some Tech Gang merch. It's actually been out for a little bit, but now I'm finally getting to it. But we got this nice little graphic here, Tech Gang. We got some palm trees here, so it can remind me how depressing my weather is because we can't have palm trees. And we got this like Neo type vibe thing going on here. So Stefan, you did a good job with this, man. And I'm really feeling the material on here. But guys, if you want to go and get some, go and get some on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below so you can go and buy it. But we do have the logo on the front, but what about on the back? We don't have anything on the back, which I actually appreciate. I just like it on the front. And if you check this out or this out, I got a size large. We're going to see how the quality stands up, but so far, I think it'll hold up. And you know what, those like Nike shirts and all that, how you can actually feel the logo on there? You can't feel it on here. That is material I like. That's what I did with my Centec merch. Now I took it down and we'll see it sometime later, but you'll still see me wearing it.